Dito picture ah. This is vlog. Oh, say what you want.
I really love my kuya.
Bakit may asterisk? Wala ba? Oh, hindi ano to ah, mukha lang.
Daddy,
Up.
waki lang yun. Daddy, waki
Up,
lang
that's
yun.
the boat.
Ikaw din.
Love boat. Alright. Oh, Juris, talk.
Hi guys. What I said earlier, it's not like this. It was waki.
Okay.
Juris, what do you love about Hong Kong?
It's very nice and the people here, actually the worker in Sasa, is very nice.
Nice, very nice.
They're kind.
They're kind.
And they're kind and they said happy birthday to me.
She gave you discount.
And I even had a discount
In your?
in my makeup. Babahin, babahin.
Oh, Jero, what can you say about Hong Kong? Huh?
Big building.
So your assignment?
To find a building that has 3
Floors.
floors. Haven't done it yet.
Juris?
What?
That looks like the building in Australia.
Yes.
What's that called?
I don't know.
Is that a skyscraper?
Yes, that's IFC Mall.
IFC Mall? That's a mall?
No, that's building.
Why is it called IFC Mall?
There's mall below it.
Mall below. But the other floors, what is it?
Maybe it's 100 plus floors.
No, what is the laman in the side?
I don't know. That's a building.